So it is my lucky day because I am in a campground in Wilmington, North Carolina with a couple of Pleasure Way owners, Dave and Janice Bellew from Massachusetts. Thank you guys for speaking with us for a few minutes.
Oh, great to talk to you, Mark.
Yep,
And so,
our pleasure.
thank you. And they've got a little dog. What's the dog's name?
Oh, that's Livy.
Livy.
Yeah.
And Livy sounds like she is having
Yeah.
a good evening sleeping
Yes,
there.
yes. She's 14 years old, so
Oh.
she's well, she's slowed down quite a bit.
And you're giving her a good life.
Oh yeah. She loves the camper.
So tell us about which model you have and how long you've had it.
So it's a 2018 Lexor TS.
Which is exactly what I have, the same year as well.
Yep. And we picked it up used in 2019, October of 2019. And when I started searching, we had a 1989 Dodge Ram van, and we picked it up in what, 2004?
Yeah, it was 2004. Yeah,
And
we
we'd-
loved it.
And we loved it.
It was a camper van or
Camp-
just
Yes.
okay?
Camper van and it was a Discoverer, which was a company out of Canada that had
Oh.
modified a Ram van, and we beat that thing. But we always wanted to go cross country. We said this will never make it across country, so we said okay, it's time to get a new van, and that's when I started looking around, and I settled after just looking and looking. I settled on the Pleasure Way for a bunch of reasons, but mostly about the dog.
Uh-huh.
Well, that and we liked the layout of the camper. We liked the refrigerator, which was a lot bigger than what we had in our old van. And he liked it because he could stand up in it. And
It is like 6 feet 2 inches in
And
there.
that's the deal with, since it's front wheel drive, I can stand up all the way down, and that I couldn't do that in the old van.
So where are some of the neater places you've been so far in it?
oh,
Oh, you've been to a lot of
Well,
places?
yeah, we have. Yeah, Newfoundland was probably one of our favorites. We just went all over the province there, and yeah, it was wonderful. 6 weeks.
Wow.
6 weeks of traveling. Yep.
Goodness. Did you
Yeah.
make reservations ahead for every place? Or?
No, there were a lot of places we just showed up at, and they were able to accommodate us. So it worked out well, and people there were so friendly. There were people that were offering us a place to stay on their land. So yeah, very, very friendly people there. I would recommend going if you've never been. So
I've been, but not in the camper van. It's been decades. So yeah, I'd love to do that. I'm not into long distance travel now, but I would love to.
Yeah, I think the reason it was so easy finding places because we were at the very end of the season,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
and a
And when
lot
would that be for people
that
listening
was
here watching?
September.
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, and as it pushed into October, every place was closing, but they would
Right.
allow us to. They'd say, sure, we're closing tomorrow or the day after, and so it was more of a problem of, but as Janice said, we would find places that they would just say, oh sure, stay here. It was nice.
And you have a unique situation because this is the first time I've seen this, but you were actually pulling a car.
Yes.
Tell us
Yep,
about that.
We have a smart car.
So we.
And I'll get a picture of it. just in a second.
Okay. So we
Oh, we're not supposed to talk about this, maybe?
no
Okay.
That's fine.
absolutely. It's just as you say, it's odd, and people. There's lots of folks that say
Yeah.
you
People
can't
always comment on it.
you can't do that is typically what we hear, but we did all the numbers for both the van and the smart car and together and have rolled it onto CAT scales, and everything checks out. And I mean the van's made for. As long as you're in tow haul mode, it's made for a large gross weight. Now, of course, if we're going up a giant mountain, we have to go slow. But it's a smart car, and the smart car is 1,800 pounds, and that's, you could say soaking wet, but actually when you fill it with gas, it's a little bit more, but not a lot.
Yeah, but I think Dodge says, or Ram says, a 2,100 or something like that.
Yes. Yeah.
But that is amazing, and it's actually flat-toed.
Yep.
It-
It
so-
is.
It's flat-toed, and the tough part was finding that, but I found it in my son-in-law's garage.
Found what? The car?
The car.
Yes.
I had forgotten that he had the smart car, and he had just put it in his garage, and it was broken. And he says, "Yeah, you want it?" And so I bought it off my son-in-law, and he was all happy because he could start his shop in his garage, and get that. So we fixed it up and figured out, brought it to a local dealer, and he put all the tow work on it. And
Fantastic. So where's your next big trip? Are you on one now? I mean, you're in North Carolina.
Yes.
So
Yeah, we went all the way to Florida. Yeah, from Massachusetts to Florida, Marco Island, Naples, and Cedar Key. Yeah, a lot of places in Florida. Just did the whole state, and then we did Georgia, Charleston, and Savannah, and South Carolina, and now we're in North Carolina. We're going to do the Outer Banks. We've never been there,
cool.
so we're kind of excited.
That's a treat.
Yes.
Probably get to go on a ferry or two out there.
Yes, yeah. So we're pretty excited about that.
Okay. Dave and Janice, thank you so much. I'm excited to get to meet you and look forward to seeing you down the road.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, well, safe travels to you, and
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, perhaps we'll see you around at some other campgrounds too.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Take care.
All right.